The California Natural Resource Agency has 33 organizations, and before we started our software-defined journey, we had basically a bunch of independent IT shops. These shops really were not being an effective business enabler to their program areas. In order to really maximize our use of technology and provide more capacity and capability to our clients who are our internal business users, we really needed to do something different. So what we did is we changed the mindset of our IT organizations. We became an independent service provider. Some of those services would be on-prem, some of those would be in a hybrid cloud. The ability to be able to stretch our resources and put various workloads in different places really became beneficiary.
What we've done is we've created a private cloud infrastructure for the California Natural Resource Agency. So we provide infrastructure services to all the departments under that agency. Our current data center is built off of the software-defined data center, and we're using the whole VM stack in that. So we're using vRealize operations, we're using vRealize automation, vRealize business. So we've automated many services. Obviously, the first thing was automating this delivery of servers, and then we've taken that to blueprints so we can deliver whole application stacks at the same time. With vRealize operations, now we can monitor our whole environment and we can pull out metrics for our tenants. We can predict when we're going to have a problem, and it helps us now, instead of being reactive, to being proactive. vRealize business helps us in many ways. For our department, it helps us to show the business what this would cost them if they were going outside. For our tenants, it helps us to determine how much we should charge our tenants for the services we provide. And for us, it helps us determine what is the cost of using our cloud as opposed to moving a workload out to a hybrid cloud or out to a public cloud. So it helps us to determine where is the best place to put a workload.
We've been able to reduce CapEx and OpEx costs by over 30% across the board. We've been able to increase our technology capabilities by 300%. But more importantly, IT was considered a constraint to the program areas. Now, through self-service, through automation, through a software-defined approach, we've been able to take IT out of the loop.
The biggest benefit for me is the fact that now my staff do not have to spend so much time delivering a service, delivering an application or a stack. They can now start spending more time doing all the other things.
I think I would describe our movement to a software-defined data center, or as we call it, a software-defined environment, as a journey. And I think it's going to be a continuous journey.